Wala sa vocabulary ni Oyo Boy ang salitang kasal. They've been in the marriage for 13 years and this is Oyo Boy Soto and Christine Hermosa. Initially, Breelers, wala sa vocabulary ni Oyo Boy ang salitang kasal. In fact, yung kanilang relasyon bilang isang mag-girlfriend at mag-boyfriend, wala talagang label. Kaya naman, ikinagulat ni Christine Hermosa na bigla si Oyo Boy nag-propose. And at that time, we've seen an interview about that experience and it's as if Oyo Boy talaga is being led to that. So, Breelers, ano nga ba ang masasabi nating pinagdaanan ng mag-asawang Oyo at Christine? Una, yung uncertainty nung bago pa lang sila ikasal. Siyempre, Breelers, bilang tayo ay sanay na may labels at we plan about the future together, hindi common yung kay Oyo at kay Christine. At dahil doon, dahil sa ginawa ni Oyo na nag-propose pa rin siya, it's been 13 years and now they have 5 children and coming soon, nasa tiyan ni Christine as of the moment, yung pang-anim nila. Ano nga ba, Breelers, ang masasabi nating sekreto ng pamilyang ito? They're very vocal that if not for God, baka hindi daw sila umabot ng 1 taon sa kanilang relasyon. As of this time, both Oyo and Christine are private citizens. We don't see them often in the showbiz. But the thing is, they're growing their family and we could see how inspiring this relationship is.